Thank you for joining us today. We are continuing the second video of the completion of a commercial job here in the TD tower. We have some bathrooms as we showed earlier with the mirrors. All the countertops all finished now, the sinks are put in. So we're just showing you the completion. We have a nice Caligata 12 by 24, as you can see. Very nice workmanship. Nice and straight, professionally done. We service the GTA Toronto people. This is the men's washroom, of course, as you can see. So you can scope and look at the joints and how smooth sheet of glass that our installations show on the video. I know pictures are pictures, but videos shows quite a bit. We have a nice 32 inch by 32 inch here porcelain, as you can see. So all sizes we do, big or small, 4 feet by 2. Actually, this type of tile is very nice, the Caligata. We have installed all over the place anyway. Again, you can give us a call at 416-937-8115. We'll gladly give you a quote and price out what you need to get done, give you professional advice on how to start and finish all these projects correctly and right. So these are just showing you now the before and after videos of our projects and how they look at the final finish. Okay, I'm going to go into the handicap. So we have the drain here, as you can see. It's very nice and neatly cut all the way around, not big and small. If anybody has problems with getting tile guys, they say they're all good and all of a sudden they get nightmares. All lippage on the walls. They have to throw them out. Contractors are very upset. This slows their projects down, and also homeowners who are getting their homes all done. So basically, this is it, people. Very simple, very easy for us to do. So any custom homes, doesn't matter, big or small, we do them all. Just showing off a little bit of our work, and hopefully you can find this video very helpful for yourself and give you any ideas on how to mix and match the tile colors. I mean, we install these projects, they're all done from the designers and from the contractors. So basically, what tiles they give us is what we're going to go ahead and do. They have a temporary mirror there, just holding it up. Obviously, eventually they'll be finishing it. So here we have a nice column with the metal edgings, as you can see. Okay, nice and neat. Gives it a nice finish because these porcelain tiles don't have a finished edge. So basically, these edges come in different colors and very helpful in finishing all the projects. I'll just do a walkabout here around the corner. So this is kind of the final stage here. Some material left over on the job, but you know, we carry the tiles all nice and straight, all into the bathroom floor. Just one nice sheet, perfectly. That's the way all installations should be done. So we are proud of our company. Basically, what we do here is what we can give you, and promise that you have licensed tile installers. We've done our apprenticeships years, 32 years now into the business of installations. Again, I'll be leaving you here now. Give us a call at 416-937-8115. And if you need all your floors, dry packed, leveled, this is what we have here. Heated floors, and then tile on top, or hardwood and carpet. So people who want some warm, cozy feet can get all of this done through us, servicing the GTA Toronto. Take care. See you on to the next video. Ciao.